In this assignment, we are going to make this 3D model. First, draw centered rectangle. Give some dimensions 72 mm, 145 mm. Exit workbench. Select pad feature. Give 25 mm length. Now select this face. Sketch. Draw a random rectangle. Give width of 50 mm and length of 72 mm. Now select these 2 points and give coincident constraint between them. Exit workbench. Select pocket feature and give depth of 6 mm. OK. And here is our pocket. Select this face, sketch, zoom fit. Now draw this random rectangle. Give dimension 65 mm and 72 mm. Now select these 2 points and give coincident constraint between them. Exit workbench. Select pad, reverse the direction, 36 mm length. OK. Select this face, sketch, draw a circle, give diameter of 24 mm. Now define the circle position 48 mm. Exit workbench, pocket. OK. Select sketch again. Now draw this circle. Make both circle concentric. Now draw a rectangle. Give dimension 12 mm from center, 18 mm from top. Make this line coincident and repeat here too. Now give diameter to this circle 60 mm. Now select quick trim to trim unnecessary parts. Exit workbench. Select pocket feature. Give depth of 12 mm. And OK. So here is our pocket. Now select this face, sketch, zoom fit, draw a rectangle, give dimension 24 mm and 50 mm. Now define its position 12 mm. Make this line coincident to the edge. Now select 3-point arc, first point, second point and third point. Exit workbench, select pocket feature, make pocket throughout the model and OK. So here is our final model.